What's going on, guys? It's Rish again. We're just doing videos back to back, getting things done, putting things back on the car, swapping things, you know, doing what we do while I have a little vacation break between jobs right now. I started my new job Monday, so embracing the nice weather, doing car things. So you can tell, putting back on my Mugen visors because it's only right. I got my Mugen wing on now, and I took these off so long ago. You can see with the plastic dip video with the trimming, which are all up now. Don't do plastic dip. I'm gonna try something else next time. Let me just show you what's going on. So to put these on per se, because they have clips on the back, you gotta have to take off this portion and the inner side because the clips have to go in underneath here. Then this goes fitted back on. I just got it cleaned off for the most part with the tape, and I got some 3M double-sided tape, some promoter. That's how she goes right now. The wing, gotta take off this side. Let's see. There we go. They're kind of a little pain to take out because they're really mushed in there. All sides are off, so I'm gonna just go one by one, prep with the adhesive promoter, 3M tape, and all that. So let's go. This car is gonna be looking different. I don't have the smaller size width of 3M, so I am just trying to slice this one in half. I'm trying to touch it too much though. Alright guys, so we got one on so far, as good as it's gonna get. Got some double-sided tape going all around. I'm trying to get it fitted as best as we can. She's making sure she got it inside the holes. Everything's fitted. I'm starting on this side, then we're just gonna make our way around. Yeah, honestly doing the rain guards, they're not that fun. But I'll get back to you guys on the next step. Update guys, while I was putting the 3M tape on the rear one, I sliced myself with the razor, and it's pretty deep, gushing out a lot of blood. You know, we out here still. It's a nice little tied up tissue paper. Didn't feel too nice. Maybe she got AIDS now because it's on the blade. Yeah, I kind of expected it to happen because I was being a retard. That's how that shit went. It's pretty deep in there. It's like right before my nail. Be live. Blood. What up guys? We're back again. On and seated. I may have some problems with it because I didn't have the full like length, so we had to cut it. So there's like pieces instead of one whole strip. So like right there, there's like smallest gap where water might come through. But it's not going to be like that big of an issue because it's still like this whole thing's covering. It's not going to like come through on the inside. Still, I like things nice, but I just want these things on now. So yeah. She over there. She about to slice her finger next, man. Boo boo. Gotta be careful with that damn thing.